How do millionaires distinguish between a gamble and a strategic investment? Welcome to the Millionaire Formula, where today's topic is the art of risk in making calculated moves that create millionaires. In the world of wealth creation, understanding and managing risk is not just important, it's essential. But what separates calculated risks from reckless decisions? How do technological advancements aid in risk assessment? And most importantly, how can you develop a risk-tolerant mindset? Join us as we explore these critical questions, unraveling the complexities of risk in the journey to financial success. Understanding risk, the millionaire's perspective. Let's begin by understanding what risk means to a millionaire. For them, risk isn't just a chance, it's an opportunity. We'll explore how millionaires assess risks, weighing potential gains against losses, and how this critical evaluation is essential in their decision-making process. Millionaires approach risk with a blend of caution and optimism. They recognize that every investment or business venture carries inherent risk, but they also see the potential for significant rewards. This segment delves into how they balance this dichotomy, analyzing market trends, seeking expert opinions, and drawing on their own experiences. We'll uncover the strategies millionaires use to make informed decisions, evaluating not just the immediate benefits but the long-term implications of their actions. It's this nuanced understanding of risk that sets them apart, allowing them to seize opportunities where others see only threats. By adopting a similar approach, you too can learn to identify and capitalize on the right risks, turning them into stepping stones towards financial success. The psychology of risk-taking. Next, we dive into the psychology of risk-taking. Why are some people more inclined to take risks while others shy away? This segment examines the mindset needed to take calculated risks and how overcoming fear plays a crucial role in financial advancement. The psychology behind risk-taking is as complex as it is fascinating. It involves a combination of personality traits, past experiences, and even one's current emotional state. Millionaires often have a mindset that embraces challenges and views failures as learning opportunities. We will explore how cultivating a positive attitude towards risk can enhance your decision-making skills and open up new avenues for wealth creation. Understanding your own risk tolerance is key. It's not about being fearless. It's about managing fear and uncertainty while keeping your eyes on the potential rewards. This segment will guide you through developing a mindset that not only tolerates risk but also thrives on it, paving the way for bold decisions that can lead to significant financial growth. Calculated risks versus reckless decisions. It's important to differentiate between calculated risks and reckless decisions. This part of our journey looks at how millionaires make informed choices, using data, experience, and intuition to guide their steps, ensuring that each risk is a calculated and strategic move. The key distinction lies in the preparation and analysis that precedes a decision. Millionaires often conduct thorough market research, consult with experts, and evaluate various scenarios before committing to a course of action. This diligent approach enables them to differentiate between a gamble and a strategic investment. They understand that while risk is an inherent aspect of wealth creation, it should always be based on informed choices and not impulsive reactions. By dissecting the decision-making process of successful individuals, we can learn how to approach risks with a balance of caution and confidence, ensuring that our ventures are calculated, thought out, and poised for success. Risk management strategies. Now let's discuss risk management strategies. Managing risk doesn't mean avoiding it altogether. Instead, it's about understanding and mitigating potential downsides. We'll cover various techniques millionaires use to manage and minimize risks in their financial endeavors. Effective risk management involves diversification, hedging, and staying informed about market trends and economic indicators. Millionaires don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across different assets to minimize potential losses. They also stay agile, adapting their strategies in response to market changes. Moreover, continuous learning and staying abreast of new developments help them anticipate and prepare for potential risks. This segment will delve into these strategies in detail, illustrating how a proactive and informed approach to risk management can safeguard your investments and provide a stable foundation for long-term financial growth. Hashtag the role of failure in risk-taking. In this segment, we tackle the role of failure in risk-taking. Millionaires view failures as lessons, not setbacks. We'll explore how embracing failure as a part of the risk-taking process is essential for growth and eventual success. For millionaires, failures are invaluable learning opportunities that provide insights into what works and what doesn't. They understand that failure is an integral part of the journey towards success, offering chances to refine strategies and improve decision-making. This resilient attitude towards setbacks fosters a mindset that is not afraid to take chances and learn from the outcomes. We will examine how this perspective on failure can be transformative, encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone, take calculated risks, and embrace the learning process that accompanies each challenge. Adopting this mindset is key to evolving as an investor and entrepreneur, turning every failure into a stepping stone towards success. Diversification as a risk mitigation tool. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a critical tool in risk mitigation. This part explains how spreading investments and interests across various channels can safeguard millionaires against potential losses, reducing overall risk. Diversification is the art of spreading risk across different asset classes, industries, and geographical locations. It's about not putting all your resources in one area, thereby reducing the impact if one investment underperforms. Millionaires often diversify their portfolios to include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. This strategy helps them balance out the risks and returns, ensuring that their wealth is not overly dependent on the performance of a single investment. Diversification is a testament to the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," a principle that stands at the core of intelligent investing and risk management. The impact of technological advancements on risk assessment. With the rise of technology, risk assessment has evolved. This segment will look at how technological advancements have changed the way millionaires evaluate and take risks, including the use of analytics and big data. The integration of technology in finance has revolutionized risk assessment, making it more precise and data-driven. Millionaires today leverage advanced analytics, machine learning algorithms, and big data to make more informed decisions. These tools provide deeper insights into market trends, consumer behavior, and economic indicators, enabling a more comprehensive analysis of potential risks and opportunities. Technology has also made information more accessible, allowing investors to quickly adapt to market changes and make timely decisions. This segment highlights how embracing technological advancements can enhance your ability to assess and manage risks, keeping you ahead in the dynamic world of finance. Building a risk-tolerant mindset. Finally, we focus on building a risk-tolerant mindset. This closing segment will provide tips and strategies to develop a mindset that comfortably navigates risks, turning potential fears into fuel for financial growth and success. Developing a risk-tolerant mindset is about balancing caution with courage. It involves understanding your personal risk threshold and gradually pushing its boundaries. Millionaires often cultivate this mindset by constantly challenging themselves, learning from both successes and failures, and maintaining a positive outlook. It's about not letting fear of the unknown hold you back, but using it as a catalyst to explore new opportunities. We'll share practical ways to develop this mindset, such as setting incremental goals, seeking mentorship, and staying informed about market dynamics. Cultivating a risk-tolerant mindset is crucial in adapting to the ever-changing landscape of wealth creation, enabling you to make decisions with confidence and clarity. As we conclude today's insightful journey through the art of risk and making calculated moves that create millionaires, remember that mastering risk is not about avoiding it, but about understanding and navigating it with intelligence and foresight. The insights we've shared today are more than strategies. They are the blueprints to build a mindset that thrives on challenges and transforms potential setbacks into opportunities for growth. Thank you for joining us on The Millionaire Formula. If today's episode has enlightened your path to financial mastery, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Together, let's continue to explore the art of wealth creation.